If you're looking for professional upholstery cleaning services in Cape Town, then you've come to the right place. At our company, we are dedicated to providing top-quality upholstery cleaning services to meet all of your needs. Our team of expert cleaners are skilled and experienced in handling all types of upholstery, from delicate fabrics to tough stains, and we use only the highest quality cleaning equipment and products to ensure that your upholstery is cleaned and restored to its original condition. We understand that upholstery can be delicate and requires specialized care, which is why we offer a variety of customized cleaning solutions to suit your specific requirements. Our cleaning services include deep cleaning, stain removal, odor removal, and much more. We are committed to delivering top-quality service every time, and we guarantee that you will be satisfied with the results. Our upholstery cleaning services are available at competitive prices. So if you're looking for a reliable upholstery cleaning service in Cape Town, look no further than us. Contact us today to schedule your upholstery cleaning service in Cape Town. Look no further than us.